70 degrees, 08 knots. Visibility 10 kilometer or more. Cloud scattered 1,200 feet. Broken 1,700 feet. Temperature +07. Dew point +04. QNH 1027. Farnborough ground is closed. Departing aircraft are to request start clearance with Farnborough Tower on 1.
Piece to piece in the green. Speed indicating. 50. 65. Rotate.
Good, bro.
Good morning, Blackbushe information. This is Golf Sierra India X-ray requesting radio check, airfield information, and taxi for departure.
Golf Sierra India X-ray Blackbushe information. You are reliability 5, taxi Echo for 07 with a right-hand circuit. QNH 1027.
Echo 07 right-hand circuit, QNH 1027, Golf India X-ray. Blackbushe information, Golf India X-ray at holding point Echo 1, ready for departure, squawking 7010.
Golf India X-ray runway 07, take off your discretion, surface wind 07010 knots.
Taking off 07, Golf India X-ray. Hey, decent piece in the green, speed's indicating. Wheel off, and we rotate. Blackbushe information, Golf India X-rays departing to the northwest, going early to Farnborough 125.250.
Yes, sir, roger.
Thanks, and see you on the way back. The cloud base is on the QNH at least 1008, Golf Sierra X-ray.
Roger.
Good morning, Farnborough radar. This is Golf Sierra India X-ray Blackbushe to Bournemouth. Just climbed out of Blackbushe to the northwest, requesting a traffic service.
Golf Sierra India X-ray Farnborough radar, QNH 1027, squawk 0430, and just confirm aircraft flight for me, please.
Yep, it's 1 POB in a PA32, QNH 1027, and squawking 0430 in India Mike Charlie now, Golf India X-ray.
India X-ray identified traffic service, what level are you climbing to?
Traffic service, I think I'll climb to 3,000 feet. I'm going to head towards Sierra Alpha Mike and then free call Bournemouth for a radar vectored approach into Bournemouth, given that southern shut, Golf India X-ray, and max penetration please.
India X-ray, roger, max penetration is approved, remaining outside the ATZ.
Max penetration approved, remaining outside the ATZ, Golf India X-ray, thank you. And Golf Sierra India X and Sierra India X-rays. Continue my climb to 3005 to get to the tops.
Golf India X-ray, roger, no known traffic to affect your climb.
Thank you, India X-ray.
Today is a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along.
Oh, 3007, look at that. Up in the clouds.
Moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next
Let's see if I can get the 8.
North. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud. Broken map 1,000 feet. Temperature minus. Viewpoint 7. UNH 1,0,2,7. Hectopascals. Advise ATC if you have speed information. Uniform. This is Bournemouth information. Uniform. At time 0850. Runway in use. 08. Airfield information. Taxiway Bravo closed. Taxiway Golf closed between Golf 3 and Golf 4. Taxiway Romeo closed. No access to apron area from the south. Crane operating in northwest sector. Surface wind 030 degrees 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds. Broken map.
Alright there, well, IMC trip again, quick one, this time in G6, the Cherokee 6, the 1972 Cherokee 6. Very nice aircraft to fly. It's got the stubby, what do you call them, the Hershey bar wings, but actually, I've always left this, it's really smooth to fly this aircraft. Anyway, it's going to be busy because it's not autopilot, but it's been alright climbing up into IMC. 3,700 feet and cruising towards Bournemouth. Solar is shut this morning, so we're just going to go straight to Bournemouth radar, ask for radar vectors to the ILS. 1,000 feet broken on the ATIS uniform, but we've got information uniform on the ATIS. We shall see. And Farnborough radar, Golf India X-rays heading into the southern zone now. Request free call to Bournemouth 119.480.
Golf India X-ray frequency change is approved. Squawk conspicuity and radar service terminates. Bye-bye.
7,000 and going over to Bournemouth. Thanks. Speak to you later on the way back. Bye. Good morning, Bournemouth radar. This is Golf Sierra India X-ray Cherokee 6 inbound from Bournemouth inbound for Blackbushe for Bournemouth.
Golf Sierra India X-ray, stand by, sir, we'll call you back. Golf Sierra India X-ray, Bournemouth, good morning, squawk 7354.
Squawking 7354, and I've got information uniform.
Thank you, uniform is Karen, runway 08, QNH is 1027, just confirm what all approach you require.
1027 for runway 08, I'd like a radar vectored ILS approach 408 please, Golf India X-ray.
Golf India X-ray, to continue navigation for the moment and expect vectoring for the LS approach runway 08. Runway surface is wet.
For navigation, I'll stick to the current track for the moment and current altitude of 3,700 feet. Copy the runway state, Golf India X-ray.
X-ray, thanks. Golf Sierra India X-ray, report your current heading.
It's 220 degrees, Golf India X-ray.
The X-rays are continuing heading 220 degrees and descent altitude 3,000 feet on the QNH 1027.
Continue 220 degrees, 3,000 feet, QNH 1027, Golf India X-ray.
That's correct, altitude 3,000 feet.
3,000 feet on 1027, Golf India X-ray.
Fire breath in open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye.
220 degrees.
Golf radar, Golf X-ray, Bravo.
3,000.
Golf India X-ray, turn right heading 260 degrees.
Turn right 260, Golf India X-ray.
It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful up here. So nice all the time. Oh, absolutely clear on the left. In fact, might be able to see, but yeah, I can see Bournemouth. Looks like the cloud has lifted anyway. That'll be an okay approach. Oh, still very good practice to be doing this by hand.
Golf India X-ray, turn left 10 heading 250 degrees.
Turn left 250 degrees, Golf India X-ray.
Golf India X-ray, turn left heading 170 degrees for the base leg, 10 miles.
Left 1704 base leg, Golf India X-ray.
Golf India X-ray, descent altitude 2,000 feet.
Descent 2,000 feet, Golf India X-ray.
Golf India X-ray, turn left heading 110 degrees, closing the localizer from the left when the start position with a glide path.
Left 110, close in from the left, and when established, descend with the glide path, Golf India X-ray. And Golf India X-ray is established and on the glide.
Golf India X-ray, roger, continue approach and contact the tower 125.605.
25605 for tower, thank you, Golf India X-ray. Bournemouth Tower, this is Golf Sierra India X-ray, and established and on the glide.
Golf Sierra India X-ray, Bournemouth Tower, good morning, runway 08, clear to land, 1730 degrees, 11 knots.
08, clear to land, Golf India X-ray. First stage. And second stage. On the Peppies. Short final, full flaps. And good landing.
Golf India X-ray, vacate left on Tango, taxi fast via Mike and Whiskey.
Left on Tango, then fast via Mike and Whiskey, Golf India X-ray.
I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire, breath, and open sky. It's not